Here are some things you should know about these acrylic lights. For one, they are acrylic, so they're really durable. You can whack them on cement and they won't break. They're not like your Christmas lights of yore where they're made of glass bulbs and they will explode. So that's a bonus. Another cool thing about them is they are smart lights. So not only can you control the lights and put them on a timer, you can actually control every single individual light and specify which color it should be. So these lights were sent to me so I test them out and make this video. I've never really seen lights like this before. The app that it comes with, I would say, is okay. I did have some issues when I added the lights to the app. It said it didn't connect successfully, but then I went back to the app later and it did. And it did take me a while to navigate through the app to figure out how to do everything. But the reality is, with lights like this, kind of set it up once and that's it. So once I figured out how to program the lights, I alternated between red and green. It's Christmas season around here. I set up Christmas lights the most lazy way possible. So I set up floodlights, red, green pattern. Now I just added these acrylic lights. I am just draping them on a banister. It literally took me about 2 minutes to set up. That's how I like it, but the lights are so cool. With the app, you can actually do animations and stuff. So you could have the lights blink in certain colors. You can have it work with music or something. So that's something that's also unique with these lights is, yeah, they work for Christmas lights, but you could use these for a lot of other things too. If you have a wedding reception, you could have them be a nice warm color or a bright color if you want. If you have a dance party or something, you could have nice bright colors. You can have it going with the beats of music and other things like that. These could literally be used year-round for different events because they are so programmable. The package does come with some basic mounting hardware, and they're just really cool lights. Another important thing to know about them is when you do program them and you remove power, plug it back in, it does have a memory of what the last settings were. So I have these stringed up to all my other Christmas lights that are already on a timer, so I don't need to set another timer for these lights. But the nice thing is it retains the settings for the lights. These are just really cool lights.